This is the second part of the nomenclature of fused heterocyclic compound. The link of the first part is given in the description of this video. Now we start to discuss about different rules by which we can decide the basic ring and substrate ring in the nomenclature of the fused heterocyclic compounds. This is first rule. The choice of the basic ring component should be by order of preference: nitrogen, oxygen, then sulfur, then carbon. We can understand by using this example. In this fused ring, benzene ring and furan ring is fused together. Furan ring contain oxygen, but benzene ring does not contain any heteroatoms. So furan is given preference because it's have oxygen. In other example, thiophene ring and furan ring is fused together. In this fused heterocyclic ring, in between the oxygen and sulfur, we will give the preference to the oxygen. So furan is a basic ring and thiophene ring is a substituent ring. So we will write the IPC name of the fused ring thieno 23B furan. Another example, in this pyran ring and pyrrole ring fused together. Pyran ring have oxygen and pyrrole ring have nitrogen. So in between the nitrogen and oxygen, nitrogen is given to the preference. So pyrrole ring is a basic ring and pyran ring is a substituent ring. So the IPC name will be pyreno 23C pyrrole. Another rule is that a component containing the largest possible individual ring. In this, pyridine ring and pyrrole ring is fused together. Pyridine have 6-member ring and pyrrole have 5-member ring. So we will give to the preference to the pyridine ring. So pyridine is a basic ring and pyrrole is a substituent ring. So IPC name will be pyrrolo 23B pyridine. Another example, in this pyrimidine ring and imidazole ring is fused together. So pyrimidine have 6-member ring and imidazole is a 5-member ring. So pyrimidine is a basic ring because it is a 6-member ring and imidazole is a substituent ring. So the IPC name will be imidazole 4,5-D pyrimidine. Another rule is that a component containing greater number of rings, in this case indole ring and pyrrole ring is fused together. Indole have 2 rings and pyrrole have 1 ring. So we will give the preference to the indole. So indole will be the basic ring and the IPC name of this fused ring will be pyrrolo 23B indole. Another rule is a heterocyclic component containing greater number of heteroatoms. In this example, this ring contain nitrogen and oxygen heteroatoms and this ring contain nitrogen. The basic ring will be oxazine. So the IPC name will be 5H pyrido 23D12 oxazine. If the both ring have same number of heteroatoms, so preference will be in order of nitrogen, oxygen, then sulfur. In this ring, oxygen and nitrogen present and this ring nitrogen and sulfur is present. So we will give the preference to the nitrogen and oxygen. So oxazole ring is a basic ring and thiazole ring is a substituent ring. So the IPC name will be thiazolo 5,4-D oxazole. Another rule is, if there is a choice between component of the same size containing the same number of atoms and same kind of heteroatoms, then the lower numbers of the heteroatoms before fusion. We can understand by using this example. This is a pteridine ring, and this pteridine ring have pyrazine ring and pyrimidine ring fused together. So pyrazine have a 1,4 nitrogen and pyrimidine have 1,3 nitrogen. So we will give the preference to the pyrimidine because pyrimidine have 1,3 nitrogen and pyrazine have 1,4 nitrogen, because lower number of heteroatoms, pyrimidine have lower number 1,3 and pyrazine have 1,4. So pyrimidine is a basic ring and pyrazine is a substituent ring. Another rule is, if a position of fusion is occupied by the heteroatoms, we can understand by using this example. In this example, this nitrogen is occupied by this ring also and by this ring also. So the choice of the basic component has the greater variety of heteroatoms. In this case, this ring have nitrogen and this ring have sulfur and nitrogen. So we will give the preference to the this ring because this have a greater variety, sulfur and nitrogen, but in this case only nitrogen is there. So this is a thiazole ring. So thiazole ring is a basic ring and imidazole ring is a substituent ring. Now practice time. Here is some example. We can pause this video and we should write the name of this IPC name, and these are the answers of these heterocyclic rings. Thank you for watching this video.